Hi everyone, welcome friends to this channel. And in this video, I will show you how to disable text message vibration on iPhone. Don't forget friends, before starting our video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, put your likes. Also don't forget to write comments after watching the video. So let's get started. To do this, please open the settings on your iPhone, and then you'll need to scroll down a little bit and find the sounds and vibration section. Now, please find here, the text section. And see when you go to text notifications. At the top, you'll be able to see the vibrate section. Click on that. And here, to turn off that vibration, just scroll to the very bottom and hit disable. Now friends, whenever you get any text messages, you will not be vibrated. And all the same, if you wish, you can also customize, for example, for messages from mail, also for some voice messages and so on. This is how you can quickly and easily turn off the vibration of a text message on your iPhone. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to put your likes and subscribe to the channel. See you soon, friends.